5 homemade anti-aging face masks you must try. In order to keep your skin firm and healthy, you should have a lifestyle which includes consumption of enough amounts of water and a healthy diet to aid in moisturizing your skin. Most anti-aging treatments made at home are safe. They are full of nutrients and add a glow to your face and improve the skin texture. Try making these amazingly effective face masks at home. You can help fight skin aging with home ingredients that make your skin look younger and less wrinkled. It's as easy as walking into your kitchen, picking a few ingredients, making a mask and applying it to your face. You just need to get the combinations right and be consistent with it. Turmeric. The turmeric mask is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant. It brightens the skin and can reduce skin pigmentation. You will need 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and 3 teaspoons rose water. Add the rose water to a bowl containing turmeric powder and mix them well till a thick, paste-like consistency forms. Apply the mixture to your face and neck. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse it with cold water and pat dry. You can apply this mask every alternate day. Cucumber. The mask contains enzymes that work on your skin to make it look younger and brighter. It also refreshes the skin. You will need half a cucumber and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Grind the cucumber up, then add the lemon juice. Apply it to your face, leaving it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse the mask with cold water and pat dry. You can apply the mask every day. Fenugreek. The fenugreek mask reduces lines and wrinkles on your face. It exfoliates your skin and adds a glow to your skin. You will need a small cup of fenugreek seeds soaked overnight, plus 1 teaspoon rose water. Grind the fenugreek seeds, adding rose water to it, forming a fine paste. Apply the mask to your face, leaving it for 20 minutes. Rinse it with cold water and pat dry. You can use this mask 3 to 4 times a week. Bentonite clay. This mask repairs damaged tissues and rejuvenates your skin. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles and helps fight skin infections. You will need 2 teaspoons bentonite clay, a few drops of rosehip oil and a few teaspoons of water. Mix the clay, oil, and water in a non-metallic bowl until it forms a paste, applying it all over your face and neck. Let it dry for 10 to 20 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. Pat dry. You can apply this mask twice a week. Rice water. This mask contains flavonoid compounds that fight aging, firming and tightening the skin. You will need 1 cup of rice water and some paper towels. Take a cup of rice water, soaking a paper towel with holes punctured in it for the eyes, nose, and mouth. Soak the towel in rice water for 10 minutes. Take it out and wring it gently. Place it on your face for 15 to 30 minutes. Finally, remove it and wash your face. You can do this every day. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.